Hi guys, welcome back again to my tutorial class. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now we want to teach you on how to create a video playlist on TikTok. Remember how to do it. You must have at least 10,000 followers. So let's start. Then another thing, once you reach to 10,000 followers on TikTok, your dashboard, your TikTok profile will change automatically. Then you'll be able to see on how to create. They will suggest an option to create a playlist for you. So it's very simple and understandable. Okay, let's start. Once you open your TikTok app and you click on your profile, the next thing, already I told you, once you reach 10,000 followers, your TikTok will be able to show you short videos into playlist. Then you click on that short video into playlist. Then this is how to create a playlist on TikTok. Then you click on start creating. Then here now you put the name of the playlist. Me, I want to put my own as Samoski Comedy, because I do many things on this account. I post comedy and news and entertaining videos. So after putting the name, you wait till the thing will tick good. Then you click on next. Okay, it's very simple. So after clicking on next, you wait for a while the thing is loading, because they will ask you to add videos to that playlist. So they will bring out your video, then you click on the ones you want to add to that new playlist that you have created. Okay, here are your videos now. So what next do I need to do? I need to select the videos that I need to put on that playlist. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel. So let me just click on the videos that I want to add to that playlist, so that if you open my TikTok app, you'll be able to go to my comedy playlist. It's very simple. So after selecting the videos, you click on done. A new playlist has been created to this account. So here are the videos that I added to this playlist. So I want to teach you again on how to add or remove some videos from your playlist. If you tap on this three dots, they will show you this. Then you click on edit playlist. There, if you tap there, you can be able to remove some videos that you want to remove from the playlist, and add some more videos. Remember, it's very simple. Stay connected. So the next thing, if you open on the video that has been added to the playlist, you see something like this. So if you want to edit on the playlist, you tap that place, you are seeing playlist Samoski Comedy. So once you tap there, you can be able to edit the playlist. Okay, once you tap there, you can be able to edit the playlist. So let's go there. I've tapped on it. I will see something like this: edit playlist, change name, share or delete. So here are the options of the playlist. So I will click on edit playlist, so that I can be able to add or remove some videos. So if I want to remove some videos, I click on here. If I want to add, I'll click on that add videos. So once I click there, I have to wait a little, so that they will show me my videos. Then I will tap on the videos that I want to add. So once I'm done adding the videos, I will click on add videos. So the videos will be added to my playlist. Remember, the same way you can remove the videos that you have already added there. So once I'm done, I'll click on add videos. It will be added immediately. So here are the videos now. So anyone you want to delete, you tap on it, they will show you the option to delete it. So this is the video we have for you today. I know that you will like the video. Subscribe to our channel for more teachings. This channel is created for everyone, because it will be helping you to solve your social media problems.